Hi guys, welcome back to Al's Adventures. Today we're going to be opening an FGTeeV TV unboxing toy with Kenshin because he got this for his birthday and it's Kenshin's corner.
He asked for this specifically.
Yes.
And it's like a TV-shaped box.
Yeah, because it's supposed to be FGTeeV.
And it has like surprises inside. You don't know exactly what you'll get.
And it's season 2. What you'll get is season 2. One glow-in-the-dark flashlight keychain, 4 stickers, a sound fix keychain, 1 big figure, 1 squishy figure, 1 mini figure, and 1 XL squishy, which I don't know what that is.
Okay, I guess we'll find out.
You get 10 things in total.
All right, buddy. Start opening. Yeah, and Cece's gonna help you if you have any problems. Oh, Lord. Oh, wow.
He found the mini fig. I think this is the mini fig, right? Squishy, this is the squishy. Look, I got this. What's this? Is this a keychain? I think so. Oh, I think it's a sound keychain. How do we make it? How do you make it do the sound? That's the baby daddy.
Okay.
Oh, there's a bunch of There it is. And you just push it.
Oh my goodness. Pretty loud.
It is very loud. But this one here. And we're gonna do this one. I think that's the squishy figure.
All right.
It's to collect them all, which are all on the side.
Okay.
Open it up. Here, Kenshin. It's really stuck on there. Ooh, what's inside?
Another bag? Oh, okay.
Who's this? It's Officer Piehole. You know?
Officer Piehole?
I just looked at the list. He's like a slice of pie.
Oh, like blueberry pie?
Oh,
funny.
I think it's blueberry pie for Granny, I think. Maybe.
Okay.
He's very squishy. Yeah, it's a squishy. What is this one? Stands. Ooh, is this the light up? Oh, I think this is Mike. Mike? You're going Mike Chase, I don't know. Yeah, let's open it. One thing at a time. It's really stuck on there. Yeah, I think he got like... It's green, so it should be glow in the dark.
But I saw a light. It lights up. Oh, okay. But there's a drawing or something?
I don't know. Maybe. Probably. Look here.
Oh, I see a face.
Yeah.
Oh.
It's the Mike.
Oh, okay. We should try that in the dark.
We should. And maybe it's glow in the dark. Yeah. So what's this? Ooh, open it up. Look who's inside. I didn't see it. Oh, ooh. Oh, that super Gurky. I don't think that's his name. Let's see. That Gurky? It's like, it's Gurky Turkey in a costume. I think that's the minifigure. Let's check. And he's super Gurky. He is the Dark Gobbler.
Oh my goodness.
Ah! So you can stand here with the other peeps. You can go here. What's next? Let's try this one. Okay, let's just get this.
Wow.
What's in there? Oh, baby daddy.
Oh my goodness, that's
It's the baby
big.
Dad. It's the baby dad's.
Whoa. So the dad is
The baby.
in the shape of a baby. Oh, that baby has a big hard head.
Yeah. Big
Oh
hard
my
head.
goodness. Wow.
Stand.
Okay.
Its head is so big it won't stand up.
Yeah. Oh, then lay the baby down. Maybe he needs a nap.
Let's remove the I was thinking like the 8 Chase Daddy. I want to see here. Why is it so big?
Red. Something red.
Whoa. Oh wait, it's the crab from the book.
Let me
It's
see.
the crab from the book. It's squishy.
It's jiggly.
I think he's in the book, right? Yeah. He's in the book. He's in the book. We also got the book for his birthday. Yeah, this is cool. There's a lot of minifigures.
Oh,
So guys, we just found that we almost threw away the stickers. We got 4 stickers, so let's see what they are.
Then open them.
Take them out. Mr. Krabs, hang out over here, eat some pie. Okay, it's already open. Let's see. Macho Man Duddy. Yeah, Macho Man Duddy.
Okay.
We got Lex.
Oh, is she laying down? Or is she jumping?
No, she's like this.
Oh.
She's upside down. She's laying flat on her head.
Oh, that's cool.
And we got FGTeeV riding a cow. Riding a cow
Oh
with
my
wheels.
goodness, that's funny.
Oh, and the FGTeeV logo.
Oh, that's cute.
That's pretty cool.
Uh-oh.
Oh, wait, did you see?
I might have to hide that talking keychain. But please don't play with it late at night.
This
Scare me.
tab is so jiggly. It's just fun to.
It is, yeah. Yeah.
Isn't he it's bouncy?
I think my favorite thing is that you can take the TV and it's a storage
Yeah.
box, isn't it?
I really-
Kenshin, to put everything away.
Hello. I think my favorite thing that we got is the crab. It's just so jiggly. My favorite is the crab. I think I like. You like all of them?
Yeah, and the big
it's like
baby.
touching all of them.
Yeah, and the turkey.
Yeah, it's just a sticker. My favorite sticker is this one because it's super cool.
You should do that pose.
Oh look! Nope. Hope you like this video. Like it and get a thumbs up.
Good job.
This is a little extra that I got for my birthday. So we got a pea shooter from Zombie vs. Plants. Double head.
Cute.
A game that he knows nothing about but likes the characters. And it stands up. And look, she don't stand up. And this plushie can't stand up and it has a baby on its back. A baby in a sack. Baby on its back. Eat the plants!
So those two are from the same game.
Yeah. This
Okay.
is the zombie versus the plant. This
Okay.
is the good zombie.
Perfect. And then you got another plushie.
Slither.io, but this is not in this game.
Correct.
Yes.
That's
It's
a
in
different-
Slither.io, and this is rare, I think. And
Little
it's
rainbow.
from the game called Slither.io.
Mm-hmm.
And it's rare, like worms, different colored worms and snakes.
That's a cute one.
It is very cute. I love the face. It's like, hi.